In this video, we are going to see 10th standard refreshment course, Unit 10 Atomic Structure Evaluation Answers. Roman letter 1, choose the best answer. Question number 1, cathode rays are made up of dash. Answer option C, negatively charged particles. Second question, who discovered electron? Answer J.J. Thomson. Third question, dash was discovered by James Chadwick. Answer neutrons. Question 4, mass of proton is dash. Answer 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Fifth question, the negatively charged rays are called as dash. Answer cathode rays. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 1, dash is the smallest particle of an element. Answer atom. Second question, in water, hydrogen and oxygen are combined in the ratio of dash by mass. Answer 1:8. Third question, proton is deflected towards the dash charged plate. Answer negatively charged plate. Fourth question, the law of conservation of mass was started by dash. Answer Lavoisier. Find the valency. Question number 1. The valency of carbon in CO2. Answer 4. Second question. The valency of sodium in NaCl. Answer 1. Third question. Cathode rays passes through dash. Answer positive. Match the following. Law of conservation of mass. Answer Lavoisier. Law of constant proportion. Answer Joseph Proust. Cathode rays. Answer Sir William Crookes. Anode rays. Answer Goldstein. Neutrons. Answer James Chadwick. Roman letter 5, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Same element having different mass number is called dash. Answer isotope. Second question, according to Dalton's atomic theory, atoms can be neither be dash nor be dash. Answer, neither be created nor be destroyed. Third question, electrons revolving around the nucleus in a circular path is called a dash. Answer, orbit or electron shell. Question 4, total number of electrons that can be accommodated in an orbit is given by dash. Answer, 2n squared. Fifth question, the valency of argon is dash. Answer 0. Sixth question, the total number of proton and neutron in an atom is called dash. Answer mass number. Seventh question, find the number of neutrons in an element. C612, number of neutron is dash. Answer 6. Because number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Here mass number is 12, atomic number is 6. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Argon 1840. Argon 1840. We have to find number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Here mass number 40 and atomic number is 18. So 40 minus 18, answer 22. Eighth question, nucleus consists of dash and dash. Answer proton and neutron. Ninth question, calculate the number of neutrons, protons and electrons given atomic number 3 and mass number 7. Number of neutrons, mass number minus atomic number. Here mass number is 7 and atomic number is 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. And we have to calculate number of protons and number of electrons. Number of protons, number of electrons and also atomic number all are the same. So here atomic number is 3. So number of protons and number of electrons is equal to 3. 10th question, cathode rays traveled in dash. Answer straight line.